अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। दिस इज़ लेक्चर 3 जुलाई फॉर क्लास 10. वी आर डूइंग narration. Student, in this lecture, in third lecture, in fact, we shall start. I shall tell you about how to change first person, how to change second person, and how to change third person. First person is the reported speech. For example, I, my, me, and we are, us are changed according to the subject of the reporting speech, that is the first word in the reporting speech. He says to me, I like apple. Students, this is first person, this is third person. So first person of reported part will be changed according to the subject of reporting part. So in reporting part subject is third person, so this first person will be changed into third person. Like look, we have replaced I with he because here the third person. This is the change of pronoun first person. Another example, he says to me, I love my country. So this is first person, this is third person. First person of reported part will be changed according to the subject of reporting part. So here reporting part subject is third person, so first person replaced by third person, like. So students, how can we change the tenses? Look, here if reporting parts have present tense, we will make no change here. Like he says to me, he tells me, with he we will add not like, likes. Similarly, tells, loves. With I we cannot use loves, but with he we use loves because present indefinite. So student, then how to change the second person? So example, the second person in the reported speech, that is you, your, you is changed according to the object of reporting speech, that is the last word of reporting speech. He says to me, you are my best friend. So students, check, reported part subject is second person. Reported part subject is second person. And the second person of reported part will be changed according to the object of reporting part. Reporting part object is first person. So you will be replaced by I because here object is first person accusative. So I, he says to me, he tells me that you will be replaced by I. With I we always use am. I am his best friend. So this is direct and indirect change. Then he says you are a brilliant student. You will be replaced by I. He says that I am. Always when you will find in reporting speech there will be no object, then mostly second person change into first person, like this example. So students, for I'm sorry, for how to change third person. Third person, he, his, him, her, hers, it, its, it, and they, their, them in the reported speech would never be changed, and these would remain same. For example, he says to me, they are not loyal to the country. So student, reported part subject is third person. So from changing direct to indirect, we will make no change because third person cannot be changed. We cannot change third person here. So this is the example. So students, now there is a list for you which shows nearness and farness in report direct to indirect. For example, note down this table: direct speech and indirect speech. This, that, these, those. If the word this is present in direct speech, indirect, then direct to indirect speech you will write that, this instead of this. Then these, those, here, there, now, then, already, by the time, ago, before, last, previous, next, the following, today, the day, the same day, tonight, that night, yesterday, the previous day, tomorrow, next day, the following day, thus, so, in that way, thus, hence, thence, hence, thence, hither, thither, come, go, it, that. So this was the table, and in next lecture inshallah we will start the change of tenses. We have done change of words and change of pronoun, and in next lecture we will complete the rules like change of tenses. See you, Allah Hafiz.